If you've ever wanted to quickly revisit old posts, photos, and moments on Facebook, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you how to view memories in Facebook step by step so you can find your past content in just a few clicks. This is a really simple process, but if you've never done it before, I'll walk you through everything clearly. And if this tutorial helps you out, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more easy how-to videos. All right, let's jump right in. First, open Facebook in your web browser. You can use Chrome, Edge, Safari, or whatever browser you normally prefer. Once the page loads, log into your Facebook account using your email, phone number, and password. If you're already signed in, just make sure you're on the correct profile before continuing. After you're logged in, take a look at the left-hand menu on the Facebook homepage. This is where Facebook keeps a lot of your shortcuts and navigation options. Scroll through the menu if needed, and look carefully for the Memories option. Depending on your layout, it may appear directly in the sidebar, or you may need to click on See More to expand the list. When you find Memories, click on it. Facebook will then take you to your Memories page, where you can see posts, photos, and moments from previous years. This is where Facebook surfaces content you shared on the same date in past years, along with other memory-related highlights. From here, you can browse through your memories, revisit old stories, and even share a memory again if you want to bring it back to your timeline. If you don't see much at first, don't worry. Facebook memories can vary depending on how active your account has been and whether you've shared content in the past. You may need to check back later or scroll through different sections to find more results. The important part is that once you know where the Memories tab is, you can get back to it anytime with just a few clicks. And that's it. You've now learned how to view memories in Facebook. It only takes a moment once you know where to look, and it's a great way to rediscover old posts and special moments from your account. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.